My name's Kandice Burton, and I'm an investment analyst.
Excellent. And what brings you here today?
I want to into the property industry, broaden my horizon, dabble a little bit more. So, yeah, that's why I'm here. Want to learn more.
Excellent. And how have you found this?
It's been really useful. Learned a lot of new things, techniques, and in terms of being able to get the deal, sell the deal to various people. So, yeah, it's been a real eye-opener. Yes.
What was it? Why this event over other property trainers?
I mean, it's Samuel Leeds. Like, we've seen his video all over YouTube, and he's been around on the scene for quite a while now, 20 years plus, if not longer. So we've been following his journey for quite a while now. So I thought it would be a perfect fit.
If anyone was on the edge, thinking back up to the event that we wrote today.
Yes. I mean, you've got nothing to lose. I mean, the first crash course in itself is only £1. It's only £1. And then if you like that, if you're like sold on that, then come to the more events. Like, you're not losing anything. You're investing in yourself. So, yeah, it's worth the shot.